Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So the holiday seasons are now upon us, and if you're looking for a great gift idea, why not give out a personalized gift of light? Today we're going to be having a look at the Ark Pro from Olight. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome flashlight from Olight and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this flashlight. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Olight for sending me this flashlight to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this flashlight. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Let's take a rough measurement from end to end. Looks like we got just about 4 3/4 inches overall length. And just to give you an idea for the overall thickness of this flashlight, here it is next to a full deck of cards, so it's definitely thinner than that. Let's run a ruler across and see what we get. Looks like it's just about 1/2 inch thick. And looks like we got just about 1 inch going across this way. Let's get this flashlight on the scale so you know how much you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at 4.2 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.2 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 5 of those. Hey, really quick, guys, before getting started, Olight now has 2 flat flashlights in their lineup. I don't know if they're going to continue the other one, but there's the Ark Feld lineup and these guys here. So this is the Ark Pro, there's an Ark Pro Ultra, and then an Ark Pro Lite. Now, they look really similar. They have the same one-piece aluminum body, really clean design, but these have a bigger battery. This is 2,000 milliamps, and the waterproof rating is IPX7, so this can stay submerged in about 1 meter of water for about 30 minutes. These guys are going to be available in 5 different color options. There's a black, orange, and OD green. There's a two-tone option out there where it's dark gray on one side, light silver on the other, and they got a nice kind of silver riveted sheet metal design as well. And of course, if you're giving this as a gift, you can pay Olight a couple more bucks to have the person's name laser engraved on the flashlight itself. Again, very similar to the Ark Feld series, a flat flashlight, really comfortable in the hand. They give you some cross milling here to give you some grip. Massive two-way pocket clip here, right? You got this clip here at the top and on the bottom. It's going to be real deep carry. Here's a quick look at what this flashlight is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. I mean, that's a massive clip, guys. So deep carry. Going to be really easy to even put that on a backpack strap. Ark Pro has 2 different ways that you can charge it. You can use the USB-C port right up here, or you can use the provided magnetic charger. And that's right, that is a magnetic bottom, so it's going to enable you to go hands-free. Really easy to use interface. On the side, you got your on and off switch for the green laser. Right in the middle, you got your on and off switch. And this is your selector to toggle you back and forth between your spot, your flood, and your UV. Also on your selector dial, when you press the on and off button, you have your battery life indicator. Let's have a look at the front of the flashlight here. So on this side, we got your flood. You can tell because the reflector is smooth. On the right side here, you can see the reflector is faceted, so this is going to be your floodlight. Your laser is going to be down here, UV light here. Each of these lights here have 5 different brightness settings, and it can get up to 1500 lumens. Let's have a look at those. Let's check out the UV light. We got 2 different brightness settings. I'm going to turn on the flood here, and this card comes in the Olight box. And there's a little message right here in the middle. I'm going to switch it over to UV. All right, this is the low setting. And this is the high. Perfect for finding your pet's urine stains, or if you're outdoors, really useful for finding scorpions. Almost forgot to mention, you also have access to strobe lighting, so it doesn't matter if you're in spot or flood. When you turn it on, all you gotta do is triple click, and it'll activate the strobe. And if you toggle over to the flood, it'll switch it to flood. Once again, guys, this has been the Arc Pro flat flashlight from Olight. Incredibly comfortable in the hand, easy to carry in the pocket because it's so flat and slim. If you're looking for a gift for somebody, or if you're looking for a new EDC light, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome flashlight from Olight, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.